How to add a fade effect in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and import a video clip you want to edit into the timeline. Make sure the clip is selected so you can apply effects to it. Next, to add a fade in effect, move your cursor to the start of the clip in the timeline. You will see a small white handle appear at the top left corner of the clip. Click and drag this handle toward the right to create a fade in. The longer you drag, the slower and smoother the fade effect will be. For a fade out effect, do the same at the end of the clip. Look for the white handle at the top right corner, then click and drag it toward the left. This will gradually reduce the clip's opacity until it completely fades out. If you want more control over the fade effect, you can also use the opacity settings in the inspector panel. Select your clip, open the inspector, and find the opacity slider. You can keyframe this slider to create custom fade in and fade out effects by adjusting opacity values over time. Finally, remember to preview your fade effect in the playback window and adjust the handles or keyframes until you are satisfied with the smoothness. And that's it. Now you know how to add a fade effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.